Hello everyone. In this video, I will just show how to install the Pivot Reader software. For installing the Pivot Reader software, you just download some script or the executable file from the link provided to you, and then after that, run that script. I will show you step by step. So the link I showed here. So here is the link for this, and you just need to download this. And Google say that it cannot scan for the viruses, so this is not a virus, so you can just download it anyway. And once you download it, you can go to the folder where it is downloaded, and after that you go here and then press run as administrator. Yeah, so the Microsoft says that don't run it, but you can say that run it anyway. And it also says that it changes the device changes to the device, that of course it should be able to copy the files required for the software to run, so that's okay. So press yes here and wait for the things to happen automatically. So this installation may take between 10 to 20 minutes depending on the speed of your internet connection and also the speed of your computer. So for me, it normally takes around 10 minutes or so. Since I'm doing it in the late night, I expect the internet connection to be good and I'm able to download the files without much problems. Let's see. On some systems where it's not able to download the files, um, then please contact our team so that they can help you with the installation. It's basically the Windows problem that don't allow the download of some of the files. So the software is given as one file which is around 400 MB, so that you don't need to download anything apart from that, because those are all the necessary components, and without that the software cannot run. It's not only about the running the algo, it's also about giving the interface for the user and all other many other stuff like the interface. So let's wait for it to get downloaded, and then it get extracted by the script automatically. So by default, the software is installed in the C drive with the folder name called Pivot Trader. And here you see that it automatically created folders. So, but it's still going on, and don't terminate or don't do anything. So if you stuck somewhere and you want to reinstall it, just delete this Pivot Trader software folder from the C drive, and after that try to reinstall if you think you want to reinstall the software, something like that. So all your historical data downloads will be stored in this folder, historical. C Pivot Trader in the historical. And yeah, Let's wait for the installation to complete. As you can see that the installation is completed, and it's saying that the installation complete and start pivot trader and stop pivot trader shortcuts are on your desktop. So let's check whether they are created by the installation script. As you can see here in the desktop, the start pivot trader and stop pivot trader are completed, copied, created. Now I will just say press any key to enter to complete the installation. So that means the installation is complete. So if you want to check whether the installation is complete, just do start pivot trader, and then you must be able to see. So the starting of the pivot trader takes a little bit of time, around 5 to 10 seconds. And once if everything is working fine, then it automatically starts the session or the UI interface session for the pivot trader software. So since I am not logged into my kite session, I would like to um, just show whether it really tries to start the software. So in the logs and in the license, it's empty, so we can't do anything because without license the software will not run. Uh, yeah, I'll just check. So it is trying to run the software. So as you can see that there is no license, so it's invalid license. Basically, what it tries to do is it reads the license and then send it to the license server, and then it validates. Our license server will check whether the license is valid for this date and for this time and for this user and all. And yeah, once it's say successful, then the software tries to run after that. As you can see, the logs, it says that it's shutting down because it's unable to, the license is invalid and it's unable to connect to the browser also. And because we are not completed the login, so yeah. But in any case, if there is not a valid license, then it automatically shuts down, no problem. And it's yeah, I will just show how to get it running. Just give me a second. So I logged into the pivot trader. Sorry, I logged into my kite session, and I will update the license here. So it's saved now. You can check if it is saved or not by just going to the license and back. Um, so let's start the pivot trader now.